In the quiet Igbo village of Nnobi, where the trees whispered ancient secrets and the river Idemolai shimmered like silver under the moon, lived a boy named Emeka. He was a curious soul, always wandering beyond the footpaths, drawn to places others feared. One humid evening, while hunting crabs near the riverbank, Emeka heard a soft melody rising from the water, sweet, sad, and otherworldly. Hiding behind a thick palm tree, he saw her. A creature of beauty and mystery. Her skin glowed like moonlight on water, and her long hair danced with the river's current. She wasn't human. Her tail sparkled with green and gold scales. A mermaid. She sang to the moon, tears streaming down her cheeks. Then, sensing him, she stopped. "Why do you spy on me, boy?" Her voice was soft, but held the power of a storm. I'm sorry," Emeka stammered. "I didn't mean to. I've never seen someone like you before." Her name was Mmirinma. She was once a human maiden from Nnobi, betrayed by her lover and cursed by a jealous Dibia, native doctor, to live as a mermaid forever. Only true friendship, not love, could break her curse. Emeka promised to return the next night, and he did. Every evening, they met in secret by the river. Mmirinma told Emeka forgotten stories of their land, the gods, the hidden spirits, the ancient songs the elders no longer sang. She warned him too, "Never speak of me to anyone. If you do, you'll never see me again." One day, Nnobi was struck by drought. The river began to dry, the crops withered, and fear spread like wildfire. The villagers begged the chief priest for answers. "A spirit must be angered," he declared. "We must offer a sacrifice." When Emeka heard they planned to sacrifice a young girl to the river, he panicked. "No. You don't have to. There's someone in the river, a guardian. She can help us." Gasps filled the air. "How do you know this, Emeka?" the chief priest demanded. Realizing his mistake, Emeka ran to the river. "Mmirinma, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to break your trust." The river remained still. The air was silent. Then, a small whirlpool formed, and she rose, sorrow in her eyes. "You broke your promise." "I did, but not out of betrayal. I wanted to save my people. You can help them. Please." Mmirinma studied him, her eyes deep with centuries of pain. "You are the first to care without wanting anything in return." She sang once more. Rain poured from the sky. The river swelled, the earth drank, and Nnobi rejoiced. But Emeka never saw her again. Years passed. He became a wise man, keeper of stories. And every child in Nnobi grew up hearing the tale of Emeka and the secret mermaid, who vanished with the rain, but saved them all.